So we will go into somewhere. Where should we go? Where can we go? I want to go into, first of all, go into the media. Extra space, USB disk, 1 terabyte. And that's always the hardest part, is like deciding where to put your stupid project at, first of all. Sullen site, Android, a book. Let's just do a new folder. We'll do make directory, and we'll call it machine learning. Learning. And we'll go inside. Okay, so here we are. What type of Python do I have? Python. I would like to get Python 3.12 if possible. So I think what I need to do is do sudo apt install Python 3.12. If they have a package for it. And I probably should have did a sudo app update before I did that. What's my password again? I hate my password. So hard to type. Oh, okay, they have it. They have it. Yeah, well, probably should have did a sudo app update just to update my repositories and stuff before I did that. But I think that's okay. And then we're going to do a Python 3.12 /m VNV. We'll just call it VNV, a virtual environment. Oh, that's right. Okay, so there's one more thing we need to get. We need to also get Python 3.12 /VNV. How do I know all this? Maybe it's already, I've already done this part before. Okay, now we can make our virtual environment. And I think you can name this whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want. I usually just do VNV. Like that. And I'll make a new environment. In Windows, you'll do it's like something like this. Bin, and activate. It's a PS1, a PowerShell script. So just press the tab key a lot of times. Just tab, 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 tab. Hit that tab key. It's your best friend. We're using Linux though, so we're going to use source bin activate. Oh, I don't know how to spell it. Tab. There we go. And we're inside. We can see over here we have our VNV environment here. And now we need to install Pytorch. So we have two choices here. I think I've already kind of chosen to use pip in this case, since I've made a pip virtual environment here. But we can also use conda as well. So we're going to have to take a look at the documentation to see which one we want to use. And I mean, I haven't even installed this yet, so We can't even do this quick start yet. We gotta actually install the Pytorch in the environment. So I'm gonna duplicate this tab, and we need to docs Pytorch. We need to install this. Hey, wait a sec. I think we need to go to pytorch.org, and then here we go. pytorch.org/get-started-locally. Okay, now we can choose our stuff. We want to stick with stable 2.7.1. I'm using Windows, or I'm using Linux. You can use whatever you want. I'm going to use pip. I'm definitely going to use Python and CUDA 11.8. Do I support that? Okay. So, okay, step one. Okay, we made our virtual environment. That was step one. And we're also using basically the latest stable Python, Python 3.12. And we're in here and everything. The next step is to check our NVIDIA drivers because it's a huge deal. And it might be, you might have to do CPU only in your case if you don't have a nice graphics card. I got an okay graphics card, a little old, but we want to check out our driver that we're using. I'm going to do NVIDIA-SMI command, and this tells us our driver right here, 560.35. That's actually not that far behind. I think the latest one is 575 right now, and the maximum version of CUDA that we can run is 12.6, which seems pretty good. Basically, this right here, this CUDA version, you can run 11.6, you can run 11.8, you can run 12 point whatever. You cannot run 12.7. So this is a max that you can go is 12.6. And from my understanding, CUDA is kind of the, I guess, the wrapper for C, C++, whatever you're programming in. It is the wrapper that wraps your NVIDIA GPUs. Honestly, I don't know too much about it. Actually, they do have a version right here, CPU right here. But we're going to do 12.6. And actually, I wonder if I can get away with, let's try something right quick. Before we do that, let's see if we can update our NVIDIA driver first. And I'll probably have to stop the video because I'll probably have to do a sudo reboot. Let's do that first and get our stuff, get our platform ready at least. So we're going to do a, let's run that sudo apt update that I should have did before I did anything else. Let's see if we can get some new packages. We got some failures here, but cloud, Google, I don't think that's important. We don't need that. We don't need the Google Cloud stuff anyway, so as long as our other stuff we're getting. And then we're going to do a sudo ubuntu drivers devices. If you're running Fedora or something that is not Ubuntu base, might be a different command than that. I'm Linux Mint. It's based on Ubuntu. And we can see here that actually our recommended driver is a 570 driver. So we can actually upgrade. So we're going to take this right here, Control-Shift-C to copy it, sudo apt install, Control-Shift-B, paste it, do yes. And after this is finished, we will definitely have to do a sudo reboot, and then after the sudo reboot, we'll run the NVIDIA SMI again. It should be fast. Come on. Okay, here we go. So we'll do a sudo reboot. Yeah. Okay, so what did we do last time? Shoot, I forgot where we left off. Okay, I think we reinstalled the NVIDIA driver, upgraded it from 560 all the way up to 570, which was the recommended one. Let's go ahead and test to see if that is true. Okay, we see that it is a 570 NVIDIA driver, and our max CUDA version that we can support is 12.8. So I think we're ready. Honestly, I restarted the computer and then I did some other stuff, and then 5 days later I came back to this. But I gotta finish what I started, so let's finish it up. We're just gonna get an example quick start Pytorch application running. Let's see where I put my stuff. I think I put it in here, media, on some external hard drive that I have right now. 1 terabyte hard drive. See where it is. I think it's inside machine learning. Yes. My memory's really good. Okay, we do a source/VNV. Oops. Bin activates. Go into our environment. Did we actually install everything? Let's do a pip list, see what we have. No, we didn't install anything. I thought we installed all the packages last time. Maybe it didn't complete. Maybe it wasn't successful or something. That sucks. Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I remember we want 2.7.1. We're using Linux. We want to use pip, Python. I want to do 12.8 CUDA, which is the max that I can support. Run this command right here. Control-Shift-V to paste it. Oh, man. I thought it already installed all this last time. Dang it. That sucks. Maybe something didn't complete. Maybe it failed or something. Well, I think I'm gonna... I guess I'll have to do some video editing. God damn, I hate video editing. I really hate video editing. Oh, there we go. Okay, I see. No space left on hard drive. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're screwed. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, because I got to do some major cleaning. Alright, stick... Wait, what am I saying? Stick around. Alright, stick around for the next video where we're going to teach you how to clean out a Linux system, and we're going to fix up this, get games and videos and pictures and all types of stuff onto an external hard drive. and we're going to clean out other stuff that we don't use, flat pack packages, snap packages, Ubuntu apt packages, all types of stuff. Stick around, we're gonna get this thing running. Yes, today's video, or last week's video actually, was a complete failure. We were not able to install Pytorch because our hard drive is full, and that stuff's always gonna happen. I also want to kind of tell you what CUDA is. In computing, CUDA is a proprietary parallel computing platform and application programming interface that allows software to use certain types of graphic processing units. It was made by NVIDIA in 2006. It was an acronym for Compute Unified Device Architecture. Okay, I'll leave it there. Honestly, I still don't know what CUDA is, to be exact, but that's okay. Alright, see you guys on the next one, and have a nice night.